Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some unsettled conditions across the region this morning, seeing some rain and snow showers here at Wallops. Also seeing primarily snowfall off to the north and the west, as well as west of the region. And taking a look at the current radar imagery, you can see we do have locations off to our north and to our west, seeing primarily snowfall this morning. In general, seeing around a half to 1 inch of snowfall across the north and western portions of the area this morning. Here at Wallops, we saw 0.6 inches this morning of snowfall before we did see that briefly turn over to rain, and there is a very tight gradient across this region with the rain and snow line due to the warmer ocean waters. Those locations just along the coastline seeing rainfall primarily, while locations inland from that and primarily north or west of the main base this morning seeing snowfall. So some secondary roads seeing a little bit of snow cover, but temperatures didn't quite get as cold as expected last night, and primarily just seeing some wet roadways across the area this morning, but are continuing to see some winter weather across the region, especially inland away from the coast this morning. So our current observation here at Wallops, we saw an overcast deck at 900 feet, 3 miles statute visibility with some light rain. Was transitioning between rain and snow, so could be seeing that out of the area here the next few hours. Winds did turn back northerly at 6 knots before they were northeasterly, and seeing temperatures right around freezing at 33 degrees, relative humidity at 96%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see lots of cloud cover across the region with this weak disturbance moving through the area. Area low pressure going to develop off the coast today. That's going to keep us in some unsettled conditions throughout the day today, with rain showers likely throughout the afternoon hours, and then seeing just cloudy skies for the overnight into Saturday morning. Taking a look at our observation page as well as the radar, you can see here we do have some snowfall across the region. You can see that rainfall just along the coastline, but Melfa is reporting snowfall, Salisbury is reporting snowfall, and seeing those locations just inland from the coast, seeing that snowfall this morning. Some pretty conditions across the region, and those areas seeing the snowfall first of the season. As I mentioned here at Wallops, saw 0.6 inches before we saw a transition over to that rain. Taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see that rainfall continuing in the region through the morning hours into the early afternoon hours, and then exiting off the coast. Could see a few light sprinkles later this evening, but overall, as that air low pressure will continue to slowly slide off over the open waters of the Atlantic, going to just see residual low-level cloud cover across our region for the overnight hours, possibly some fog as well. So this morning, red condition for our rainfall as well as some light snow in the area for the afternoon hours, continuing with that likely condition for the rainfall, especially early around 1300. Should see that rainfall kind of move off the coastline, and then continue to see slight chances of seeing that rainfall across the area. As we move into the overnight hours, we'll see our winds become more northerly and light to northwesterly as that air low pressure moves off the coast. But this morning, seeing those northeasterly winds, as I mentioned briefly, backing back out of the northwest here at the main base, but still seeing some northeasterly winds primarily for the afternoon hours. We'll see low-level cloudiness through the day today, with ceilings below 500 feet looks likely through the overnight hours. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we are currently seeing light rain, but seeing that possibly transition back to some light snow, and then back to light rain, and primarily light rain after 10 local this morning, and continuing with that light rain for the afternoon hours. As I mentioned, seeing that taper off during the late afternoon hours with that moving off the coast. Overnight, we'll see low cloudiness with the possibility of fog and half-mile visibility by tomorrow morning. You're just going to see some light northwesterly winds, low-level clouds around 400 feet, and some reduced visibilities with some mist. Our tides were normal. Looking at Saturday into Sunday. Saturday, chance of morning low clouds and fog, otherwise mostly to partly cloudy, high of 47 degrees for our Saturday night, mostly clear and cold, low of 31, and for Sunday, mostly clear during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy during the afternoon. We'll see a high of 47 degrees. Green charts across the board for Saturday night and Sunday, and only seeing that morning chance of local ceilings for our Saturday. So it looks like a decent weekend. Temperature still below average, but looking like a better weather weekend than we are seeing today. Well, that completes our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, looking like 7 days.